Good idea.
Okay, that's enough.
Your feet right there.
They're coming after you.
Sure they are.
Yeah.
Take me.
Take me away, 'cause I just.
Whoa.
Nicole's right here. We all passing by. Nothing.
No, I'm selling Batman cards. Man, this just did it.
Dude, you like your ice cream?
Yeah. Michael,
You good?
Did you say thank you, Michael?
Michael, say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you what?
Thank you for the ice cream.
We call him Kuya.
Mean.
Michael, eat this.
Who's cool?
How's the ice cream, Kuya?
I haven't tried it yet. The cone is good.
and me, Michael.
No. Hi, Kuya Matt. Dude, I like your flowery shorts, man.
It's
actually
It's-
rhinoceros.
How do you know?
Jaguar rhinoceros.
Don't
Look
look,
at
Kuya.
Rhinoceros?
You're like,
Is that rhinoceros?
down there.
Oh, sorry. Bastos Maria, bastos! Bastos! How's your... Dude, did you took some of mine?
No.
Hey, you did. What is that? What is that dent? What is that dent right there?
That's a different color. Your ice cream is a different color than that ice cream.
What is that dent right there?
What? Let me.
Oh, whoa!
What? There is a dent. I'm gonna get this.
Stop my ice cream!
I really don't think there's a dent.
You spoon.
Yes, I think I see one. Right
Okay,
here.
no more, because I'm
You want more
eating my
cone?
ice cream. Bye.
Nicole.